Hey, what's up, everyone? In today's video, we're going to talk about drawing versus painting. When I think about drawing versus painting, I lean heavily towards drawing as the core of my artistic expression, particularly in the realm of wildlife art. To me, the distinction between drawing and painting isn't just about the materials or techniques used, it's about the immediacy and the simplicity that drawing offers. Drawing allows me to connect with my subject matter on a spontaneous level, capturing the essence of typically wildlife that I'm drawing with a few strokes of the pen and maybe 20 minutes. I can create a piece of art that I'm proud of. This contrasts with painting, which, while capable of conveying depth and emotion, and often involves a more tedious process that doesn't quite suit my need for direct expression. While I recognize the beauty and depth that painting can bring, I find the process more tedious compared to the straightforward nature of drawing. With just pencil and paper, or even a Bic pen, I can immerse myself in my surroundings and translate those experiences onto paper almost instantaneously. This directness is crucial for me. My approach to even wildlife art through drawing allows me to connect with my subjects in a way that feels genuine and unfiltered. It's not just about creating a likeness, but about sharing the story and movement and the spirit of the animals I'm drawing in an expressive way. This process requires minimal supplies and offers the freedom to create anywhere and anytime. It's this simplicity and immediacy that make drawing not only my preferred medium, but also a final form of art in its own right. I believe drawings are final. This belief in drawing as a standalone art form shapes not only my creative process, but also how I teach and share my passion of sketching and drawing with others. Right here on this YouTube channel, I emphasize the accessibility and immediacy of drawing, especially when it comes to filling sketchbooks with anything you're interested in. I aim to show you that with a few simple tools and techniques, anyone can start expressing their love for nature through art or whatever it is you love to draw. Anyone can start expressing themselves creatively, making it clear that you don't need a studio full of expensive paints and brushes to start making art that matters. So, how do you know if you should draw or paint? Deciding whether drawing or painting suits you better as an artist often comes down to personal preference, style, and what you hope to express through your art. Both mediums offer unique and great ways to capture and convey your artistic vision, but they cater to different sensibilities, techniques, and approaches. If you're on the fence about which path to pursue, consider the following points to help guide your decision. Consider your patience and pace. Painting often requires more setup and drawing time, making it a slower process than drawing. If you prefer quicker results or enjoy working in short bursts, drawing might be more your speed. Evaluate your preferred level of detail and control. Drawing, particularly with pencil or ink, allows for precise control over details. If you revel in creating finely detailed artwork, drawing might suit you better. Think about color versus monochrome. Are you drawn to the vibrant world of colors, or do you find beauty in the simplicity of black and white with maybe a splashes of color here and there? Painters usually thrive in color, while drawing can be more about mastering shades and tones and form and um, thinking in more gestural ways. Also, assess your mobility and workspace constraints. Drawing is genuinely more portable and requires less space. If you travel often or have limited room, drawing can be more practical. Also, reflect on your desired textures and effects that you want to convey in your work. Painting allows for a variety of textures and layering effects that are difficult to achieve with drawing. If you're fascinated by depth and texture in art, painting might appeal to you more. Also, examine your thematic interests. Some themes and subjects might lend themselves better to the fluidity and broad strokes and forgiveness of painting, while others are more suited to the more direct approach to drawing. Ultimately, the choice between drawing and painting isn't mutually exclusive. Many artists find joy and fulfillment in exploring both mediums. And if you haven't really explored or taken classes in either drawing or painting, you have to do both. You have to dedicate time to both to just see what you like more. Sometimes even combining them in your work together. It's all about finding what best allows you to express your artistic vision and connect with your audience. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.